Hey, today I want to talk about how to use done-for-you email swipes for email marketing and affiliate marketing. Welcome to my channel. This is John. I'm with Online Verve. Feel free to take a look around at my other videos, but today we're talking about using done-for-you email swipes. So these are email swipes that have been written by somebody else and that you can pop into your email autoresponder for part of your email follow-up series and make money through promoting affiliate marketing products in your follow-up series. So first, let's just take a look at what kind of a typical email funnel looks like. You're going to have a squeeze page or opt-in page where people are going to give you their email. And after they enter their email, you can have upsell offers. These are optional. Or you can just directly start sending out follow-up email messages. And these follow-up email messages, I only have 7 listed, but these can go on indefinitely. You could literally have dozens, if not hundreds, of automated follow-up emails being sent out to your subscribers. And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing through email marketing, is once you get, all you have to do is focus on getting people to opt in, get traffic to your squeeze page, and once they opt in, then the follow-up sequence is automated and goes out automatically. And a lot of people, they do struggle with what to use for their email messages. If you're like me and you're not good at writing, or you don't care to write content, then you can find email follow-up swipes, email swipes that are done for you and can be inserted into your autoresponder. Now, to do email marketing, you do need an email autoresponder, and there's really only 2 that I recommend for affiliate marketing, either Aweber, who is the company I currently use, or GetResponse, who I have used in the past. They're both very good. They both work very well, and they're both more friendly to affiliate marketing. There's a lot of other email autoresponder companies out there, some you probably heard of, but they're not real friendly to affiliate marketing, and they have a reputation for closing down accounts without any warning because they don't like affiliate links in their emails. So if you're going to be serious about doing email marketing, I would either go with GetResponse or Aweber. They both work well. I personally like Aweber a little better, and that's who I use right now. They both offer free plans as well, so you can get started for free with Aweber and with GetResponse. They do have free options, and then obviously they have paid options as you grow your accounts. If you are not used to doing email marketing, then you probably want to learn a little bit. This is a great course called Email on Fire by Kevin Fahey. Really good course. If you need help getting started with email marketing and you want to learn from someone who does extremely well with email marketing, then I would definitely recommend you get his course. I'll leave a link for this in the description down below. Now, done for you email swipes. That's what we're really talking about. There's several places you can get email swipes from. Sometimes you can get them from the vendor, although those a lot of times are written in a little bit spammy way, so I wouldn't necessarily use them. I know you see a lot of people recommending just going to ClickBank and getting the email swipes that the vendor provides. And that's one option, but again, they tend to be a little spammy, and I wouldn't necessarily go that route. Instead, there's someone I like that just has a really nice, engaging writing style. His name is Lee Murray, and he puts out these done-for-you email swipe kits, okay? This first one is, I believe, called, his recurring income kit. And so these you get, if we scroll down, you're going to get 30 emails that promote products that pay recurring commissions. So these are subscription-based products, right? We just talked about Aweber and GetResponse. And here you see the other products. And so these emails promote these recurring subscription services, and these are things that people are going to use in their online business anyway. And so you may as well help them by, providing them with information about those services. And so you're going to get 30 done for you email series. He does provide a lead capture page as well if you need that, full training if you need that, some traffic training, and it's only $13, right? So just about $1.50 per email, so very, very cheap. He's got a few other kits that I have and I use, and I just load these up into my autoresponder. This is his high ticket kit, which again is 30 emails that promote high ticket opportunities. Okay, and so these are things these are products that you're going to make, I think the lowest one is a $500 commission, and it can be up to over $1,000 per commission when you promote these products. So these are just high ticket products that he's promoting. I don't think he reveals it on the sales page, but these are all well-known, respected, high ticket products that are being promoted. And another kit, and he's got several of these kits. I'm just showing you examples for 3 of them. Again, these are all obviously in the the make money online internet marketing niche. But this again is 30 more done for you traffic emails. Again, $12.95. And these are traffic related, okay? And so they're promoting traffic services because people that are working online, they need help getting traffic. And so these products all provide traffic ideas and services for people. And so again, you're going to get 30 emails that are promoting these ClickBank traffic products. Again, you're going to get a email opt-in if you need it, etc. Or what you can do is when you get these done for you email sequences, you just keep adding them, and so you just have one long, ongoing email follow-up. And so really by getting, if you just at a minimum picked up the recurring income kit, the high ticket kit, and the traffic kit, that's going to be a minimum of 90 days worth of follow-up emails that'll be sent out, automatically. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is focus on getting people to your squeeze page, and then these emails will be sent out automatically in the autoresponder. Now, one other thing I just mentioned at the end here is this is one I just picked up recently. It's called High Ticket Riches by Val Wilson, and it promotes a very popular high ticket product called Legendary Marketer. You may have heard of it. And what he when you buy the front end of this product, he's just going to talk about affiliate marketing training to promote Legendary Marketer as a high-ticket product. But if you purchase the first upsell, that's what I recommend. That's where you're going to get actually a done-for-you website that you can upload that all promotes Legendary Marketer. You're going to get done-for-you email follow-up series, an opt-in page, etc. And that is a real bonus. So I'll put the link for that below this video as well. But I hope this helps give you an idea of how you can go out and get done-for-you email swipes that you can put into your funnel so that they just go out automatically, and then the only thing you need to focus on is getting people into your opt-in page. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, and please subscribe so you can keep getting more information as I put it out. Thanks so much for watching.